If you need to close your Apple Pay account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is properly deactivated. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your payment cards and Apple Pay settings are managed. Step 2. Select your card. Tap on the card you wish to remove from Apple Pay. This will bring up the card details and options for managing it. Step 3. Access card information. Look for the eye icon or the More option in the corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the card settings. Step 4. Remove the card. Scroll down and find the Remove Card option. Tap on it and confirm your choice to remove the card from Apple Pay. Step 5. Sign out of Apple ID. Go to your device's settings, tap on your name at the top, scroll down to sign out, and follow the prompts to sign out of your Apple ID. This will effectively close your Apple Pay account. Once you've completed these steps, your Apple Pay account will be closed and you will no longer have access to the service. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Apple support for assistance.